The ocean holds a silver treasure, a vital link in the global food chain that has fed civilizations for centuries. But transforming a wild catch into a perfectly sealed, shelf-stable delicacy is a marvel of modern industrial engineering. Today, we go behind the factory gates to witness the relentless, high-speed journey of the sardine, from the cold depths of the sea to the precision of the canning line. This is a world where biology meets heavy machinery at a staggering pace. The journey begins at the docks, where massive fishing vessels arrive with their silver cargo. Time is the greatest enemy of quality. To preserve the delicate texture and nutrient-rich oils of the fish, they are immediately transferred into industrial-scale brine tanks. The water is kept at sub-zero temperatures, flash-chilling the catch. This isn't just about cooling, it's about halting the biological clock. Watch the massive cranes and vacuum pumps move tons of fish in minutes, a liquid conveyor belt of silver. Inside the factory, the chaos of the ocean is replaced by the order of the machine. The first challenge is size. Not every sardine is destined for the same can. Huge vibrating sorting tables use laser sensors and mechanical sieves to categorize the fish by weight and length. It's a rhythmic, shimmering dance of thousands of fish moving in perfect synchronization. The precision here is vital. If a fish is too large, the automated canning lines will jam. If it's too small, the presentation is ruined. Now, we enter the most delicate phase, the cleaning. In modern Chinese facilities, this is a blend of high-speed rotary blades and high-pressure water jets. The heads and tails are removed with surgical precision in a fraction of a second. The machines are calibrated to minimize waste, ensuring that every gram of high-quality protein is preserved. The sound here is a constant, sharp whirring, the sound of thousands of blades working in unison to prepare the harvest for its final vessel. Before they meet the can, the sardines undergo a specialized brining process. They are submerged in a precise mixture of salt and purified water. This doesn't just season the fish, it firms the flesh, preparing it to withstand the high temperatures of the cooking process. In some specialized lines, this is where the first hints of flavor are introduced, subtle spices and oils that begin the transformation from raw ingredient to gourmet product. This is the heart of the operation. Thousands of empty tin cans move like a high-speed train along magnetic conveyors. At the filling station, robotic arms or high-speed rotary fillers place the sardines into the cans. The alignment must be perfect. The visual of silver fish fitting perfectly into their metallic homes is one of the most oddly satisfying sights in the industrial world. Each can is weighed by digital scales that can detect a deviation of less than a gram. A sardine can is incomplete without its medium. Whether it's premium extra virgin olive oil, tangy tomato sauce, or spicy chili oil, the injection process is a feat of fluid dynamics. Automated nozzles deliver the exact volume of liquid at high pressure, ensuring no air bubbles are trapped inside. This liquid is what preserves the fish, creating an airtight environment that will keep the product fresh for years without refrigeration. Now comes the most critical mechanical moment, the seaming. The lids are fed onto the cans at lightning speed. A specialized seaming machine uses immense pressure to fold the metal edges together, creating a double seam that is 100% airtight. This is the barrier between the fresh product and the outside world. A single microscopic leak could ruin an entire batch. The rhythmic clank-clank of the seamer is the heartbeat of the factory. The sealed cans are loaded into massive industrial pressure cookers called retorts. This is where the magic happens. The cans are heated to extreme temperatures under high pressure. This process does two things: it sterilizes the contents, killing all bacteria, and it cooks the fish right inside the can. The bones become soft and edible, and the flavors of the oil and spices deeply penetrate the meat. It is a controlled, high-tech version of a traditional slow cook. After the intense heat of the retort, the cans must be cooled rapidly to stop the cooking process. They pass through a cooling tunnel where they are sprayed with chilled water. Then, they enter the gauntlet of quality control. X-ray machines and vacuum sensors check every single can for integrity. If a lid is slightly bulged or a seam is imperfect, the can is rejected by a pneumatic arm in the blink of an eye. Only perfection leaves this room. The final stage is the labeling, the birth of the brand. High-speed labeling machines wrap the cans in vibrant designs, destined for supermarkets in London, New York, or Tokyo. They are packed into crates by robotic palletizers, stacked high, and prepared for their journey across the globe. Standing here, watching thousands of finished cans roll off the line, you realize the incredible scale of human ingenuity required to bring a simple can of sardines to your table. The sardine can is more than just packaging, it is a masterpiece of preservation and engineering. Behind these factory gates, thousands of years of tradition have been distilled into a high-speed, high-tech ballet of steel and silver. The next time you peel back that metal lid, remember the roar of the machines, the precision of the sensors, and the relentless dedication of the people who power the silk empire of the sea. Thank you for joining us behind the factory gates, but the story of the sardine factory is not just about speed, it is about the invisible science that ensures every can remains safe for years. Modern facilities now utilize artificial intelligence to monitor the thermal distribution inside the giant retorts. Sensors embedded within the batches transmit real-time data, ensuring that the cold spot of every single can reaches the precise temperature required for commercial sterilization. This level of precision is why modern canning has virtually eliminated the risk of spoilage, transforming a seasonal catch into a global staple available in every corner of the world. Inside the heart of the quality assurance lab, the process reaches a microscopic level of scrutiny. Beyond the visual and mechanical checks, technicians perform random destructive testing. They select cans at random, cutting through the seams with laser-guided saws to inspect the overlap of the metal layers. This ensures that the double-seam technology is functioning at 100% efficiency, preventing any bacterial ingress over years of storage. It is this unseen layer of protection that truly defines the excellence of modern Chinese canning factories. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires a resilient mindset and the courage to embrace the unknown. While others might settle for the safety of the shore, those who leave a mark are the ones brave enough to sail into uncharted waters.